Today we're going to create an autumn scene with this foam pumpkin. First, trace where you want your windows and doors to be. Now, carefully cut them out. Tape off your pumpkin in order to paint the inside. Spray paint the entire inside of your pumpkin. While that's drying, trace the holes in order to make a pattern for your shutters and doors. Trace your pattern onto some foam and cut that out. Now spray paint your shutters and doors. While those are drying, we can add LEDs to the inside of our pumpkin. Trace your pumpkin onto some thin foam to make a floor. Cover the floor with moss. Once you're done, place your moss over your LED battery pack. Paint the doors and shutters to mimic wood and allow those to dry. Once they're dry, trace them onto some CosBond Attach Build. Cut it out and then peel and stick it to your foam. Hot glue some handles onto your doors. Now peel and stick your shutters and doors to your pumpkin. Finally, add all the details around the outside and inside of your pumpkin. And we're done. Now we have a cute autumn display to keep around for fall.